Before you can send out an invoice and actually get paid, you need to tell QuickBooks exactly who is buying your products or services. Today, I'll show you how to quickly add a new customer manually so your billing process is smooth and organized. From your main dashboard, look over at the left-hand menu and click on All Apps. Depending on where your business is located, this menu might Customer Hub, and then click Customers and Leads. This brings you to your master list. You will see your leads and all your customers' data. To add somebody new, head over to the top right corner and click that green New Customer button. A panel will slide out where you can enter all their details. You can drop in their company name, the main contact person, and their email address. The most important box here is the Customer Display Name. This is exactly how they will show up on your internal lists and on the actual invoices. Scroll down just a bit to fill in their billing address so your invoices look professional. You also have tabs here to add internal notes or set up default payment terms, like giving them 30 days to pay. Once you have filled out what you need, hit the green Save button at the bottom. Your new customer is now officially in the system, and you are ready to start billing them. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.